Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Christina. Today I'm going to be doing a jewelry review for MollyJewelryUS and an unboxing. I'm really excited about this ring because I picked it up myself. I don't have anything like it. I like something that stands out and is unique and kind of helps with my little fashion identity. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go for it and unbox her. Okay. Oh my gosh, stunning. Oh, wow. This is a lab emerald and white topaz ring. I got it gold plated and it actually has an engraving on it of my initials and it is just stunning. The detail is immaculate. It literally has just the right amount of sparkle. It's not too showy. It's very subtle and oh my gosh, it looks so good. I'm actually obsessed. It's not necessarily an everyday ring, but could become a staple, especially having it customized. I don't have anything that's emerald, so I'm really excited about that. And just look at the details. Oh, the emerald color is absolutely stunning. It is the perfect green. I love the shapes together. This style is so in right now. And the band is incredibly dainty and thin, which is my preference personally. And then the engraving on the inside is actually super cool because you can't, nobody's gonna know it's there, but I know it's there, and it just makes the piece feel even more customized and just more personal to me. And I really, really like that. Ah, so adorable. I cannot wait to wear this. I'm already thinking about outfits I'm gonna wear it with. Today, my only plan is to go to the gym and then cook dinner at home with Wes. So I probably won't wear it today, but I really can't wait to wear it. All right, and Molly Jewelry also sent me another ring. This box is really cool because it's velvet and love that the green completely matches the jewelry. That is so cool. I don't know if they did that on purpose. I don't know if their branding is all green and I just happened to order green, or if it's per the ring you get. That would be a really cool idea. This one is so pretty. It's giving princess, elf, fairy. Absolutely love this. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention, you can order your size. So you don't have to get the ring size. I ordered my ring size for this finger because I wanted it to be a ring for only this finger. And this one is also my ring size. So let's swap. Oh. Okay. This is really unique and really pretty. I'm actually this is very intricately detailed. Look at the leaves. Oh my gosh, you can see the little marks on each leaf and the little tiny emerald jewels. These are gorgeous. And I love the depth to the center stone as well, and the black inside. I think that's so cool. It's very woodsy, very foresty. What a beautiful design. So Molly Jewelry has a ton of really unique designs, and you can basically customize anything with what kind of gold you'd like. If you want it gold plated instead. They also have the size you want. You can get shiny or matte. You can literally fully customize it. And it's really cool because even if you semi-like a design, but it's not quite there, you can change it a little bit and tweak it to be exactly what you want. All right, I'm gonna link these two rings below so you guys have reference. And thank you so much to Molly Jewelry for sponsoring this video. I am obsessed. I definitely cannot wait to wear this ring. Bling bling, who is she? All right. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. I do a lot of reviews. I also do travel vlogs, so kind of a lifestyle type of channel, but yes, I would really love to get to know you. So leave a comment below, and thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye!